Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to draw a polygon in Google Earth Engine and calculate its area. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, so don't worry if you're new to coding or GEE. If you need to open an account on Google Earth Engine, you can watch this video. Let's get started. To begin, open the Google Earth Engine code editor. You'll see a blank script area where we will write our code. Click on the Draw a Shape button in the top left toolbar. Now, draw your polygon on the map by clicking to create each vertex. When you're done, double-click or click on the first vertex to close the polygon. Now let's write the code. First, we calculate the area of the polygon. The function geometry.area gives the area in square meters. To convert it to square kilometers, we use .divide, 1,000,000. Next, we print the result using print. The first part of print is a label, something like area, and the second part is the actual area value we just calculated. Click the Run button at the top, and you'll see the calculated area in the Console tab. Let's also display the polygon on the map. For that, we use Map.addLayer. The first argument is the polygon itself. The second is the color styling. And the third is the name for the layer in the Layers tab. You can hide the geometry by unchecking. Run the code again, and your polygon will appear in red on the map. That's it. You've just learned how to draw a polygon, calculate its area, and display it in Google Earth Engine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.